Hello, good morning students. Welcome back to the class. So once again we will start our new chapter. This is practical geometry. Already we have started this chapter, beta, chapter number 4 practical geometry, and I have told you about the question number first and second or of exercise 4.1. Clear? So today we will start our next question, question number third. So before going to question number third, first I will do the first we will do the recapitulation, beta. Okay, so first what we have done in this chapter, beta, we have done construction of quadrilateral. Okay, we were doing construction of quadrilateral, and how we were doing, when two diagonals in the first exercise, when one diagonal and four sides are given. So how will you construct the quadrilateral when one diagonal and all the four sides are given? So I have told you what will you do, beta. First you will draw the rough diagram of the quadrilateral. For example, any quadrilateral ABCD is given. Okay, any quadrilateral ABCD is given. So how will you construct? All the four sides are given. For example, 4 cm, 5 cm, 3.5 cm and 3 cm. After that, any one diagonal is given. So BD is given, like for example, BD is given 6 cm. Diagonal BD is given 6 cm. Okay, so here all the four sides are given. You can see, yes, one diagonal is given, yes. After that you have to construct the quadrilateral. So how will you construct, beta? How will you draw? So first step I have told you, first you will draw the diagonal BC. So this is BC 6 cm. After that you can see, beta, this one is one triangle and this one is second triangle. So step by step you have to draw both the triangles. So first you will draw this triangle. So from point D you will open your compass at 3.5 cm and you will draw the arc. So from point P you will open your compass with the help of ruler 3.5 cm and draw the arc. From point B also you will open your compass with the help of ruler 5 cm and draw the arc, like that. And intersecting point of both the line is point C. So you can give the name, this is point C. After that join the line BC and CD. Sorry, this is BD. DB, D, but diagonal is given DB. Okay, so DB. Clear? So you will join the line DC and BC. Clear? After that you have completed this one triangle. Now you have to complete this triangle also. So from point D you will open your compass 3 cm because DA length is 3 cm and draw the arc downwards. And from point B you will open your compass 4 cm and draw the arc, like that. After that intersecting point of both the line segment is A. So you will give the name, this is A, join the line AB and AB. So this is your required quadrilateral. Like that you have to construct the quadrilateral when four sides and one diagonal is given. Clear, beta? When one diagonal and four sides are given, so you have to construct the quadrilateral like that. Clear, all of you? After that, beta, question number first and second question I have told. Now we will start question number third. So what is given in question number third? Parallelogram. Okay. Question number third is given parallelogram. P-A-R-A. Parallelogram. Parallelogram M-O-R-E. Okay. What is given? Parallelogram M-O-R-E is given. O-R is 6 cm. Next, R-E 4.5 cm, EO 7.5 cm. Clear? After that you have to draw the parallelogram. Clear, beta? So in this question what you have to do, you will draw the parallelogram M-O-R-E, where O-R is given 6 cm, R-E is given 4.5 and EO is given 7.5. So parallelogram M-O-R-E. So you can draw any parallelogram first. For example, M-O-R-E is a parallelogram. Clear? Where O-R is given 6. O-R. So R is this one 6 cm. R-E 4.5. This one is 4.5. EO 7.5. So EO. This one is EO and this is 7.5 cm. Clear? Now you can see, beta, ma'am, here only two sides are given and one diagonal is given. But you were saying that in exercise first 4 sides are given and one diagonal is given. but here only two sides are given and one diagonal is given. So how we will do? So beta, in the parallelogram, what is the definition of parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel or equal. Okay, what is the definition of parallelogram? Where opposite sides are parallel or equal. In the parallelogram, opposite sides will be equal. If this one is 4.5, it means this one will be also 4.5. This one is 6 centimeters, so this is opposite to this. So this one will be also 6 centimeter. Now it's clear. All the four sides are given and one diagonal is given. Clear, beta? Now you have to draw the parallelogram. So same step. First you will draw the diagonal EO. So you will draw the diagonal EO, and EO is 7.5 centimeter. Clear, beta? First step, what will you do? You will draw the line segment EO, and this is 7.5 centimeter, and this one is the diagonal. Okay, 7.5 centimeter. Clear? After that, you can see this one is one triangle and this one is second triangle. So you can take any triangle first. So for example, if I am taking this one, okay. So from point E to R, what is the length? 4.5, and O to R, this is 6 centimeter. And intersecting point of both the line is point R. Clear? So first step, at point E, you will open your compass. How many centimeter? 4.5 centimeter with the help of ruler, and you will draw the arc. So from point E, you will draw the arc like that, 4.5 centimeter. From point O, you will open your compass 6 centimeter and draw the arc from point O, and it will cut at like that 6 centimeter. With the help of ruler, you will open your compass. Clear, beta? 6 centimeter. After that, intersecting point of both the line segment is R. So you will draw this point will be R. Clear? After that, join the line ER and RO. Clear? Same like that. Now you have done this part. First, this part you have done. Now you have to complete this one part also. So same, you can see this line and this line are meeting at one common point, and it is point M. So first you have to draw the intersecting point with the help of arc. Okay, so this length is 6 centimeter from point E to M. Okay, so same, from at point E you will open your compass with the help of ruler. How many centimeter, beta? 6 centimeter. First, beta, you can write the name also. ER is 4.5 and RO is 6 centimeter. Clear? Now at the point E, you will open your compass 6 centimeter and draw the arc like that. At point O, you will open your compass 4.5 centimeter and draw the arc like that. Clear? And intersecting point of both line is point M. After that, join the line EM and OM. Clear? So this is your required parallelogram MORE. You will write the length also. This is 6 centimeter and this one is 4.5 centimeter. Clear? So if parallelogram, okay beta, in parallelogram when two sides are given, so how will you complete the parallelogram? Okay, because here you can see only 3 lengths are given and 2 are sides and 1 is diagonal. Okay, so 2 sides and 1 diagonal is given. So you can say beta, you can say ma'am, here only 2 sides are given. What will we do? How we will complete the parallelogram? So simply, you know beta, in the parallelogram opposite sides are equal. If this one is 4.5, so this one will be also 4.5. If this one is 6, so this one will be also 6. And 1 diagonal, this is already given. So same like the quadrilateral, you can complete your, you will complete your parallelogram. Clear beta? After that, you have to write the construction. So construction will be same like the quadrilateral beta. Okay, step by step. First you will draw the line segment EO 7.5 centimeter. From point E, you will draw the arc 4.5 centimeter. From point O also, you will draw the arc 6 centimeter. Intersecting point of both the arc is point R. After that, join the line ER and OR. Clear? Same like that downwards also. Okay. From point E, you will draw the arc, open your compass 6 centimeter and draw the arc. From point O, you will open your compass 4.5 centimeter and draw the arc. Intersecting point of both the arc will be point M. After that, join the line segment EM and OM. After that, in the last line, you have to write, hence this is MORE is our required quadrilateral. Okay. In the last line, sorry, parallelogram. In the last line, you will write MOR is our required parallelogram, and it is a parallelogram. Yes, you can see this one line and this one. Okay, these lines are opposite or parallel. So you can see these lengths are equal. This one is parallel to this one, so these lengths are equal, and this one is parallel. Clear all of you? So like that, you have to complete the parallelogram. and after that you have to write the construction also. Beta, I am not writing here the construction, you have to write yourself. Is it clear? Okay. After that, next question, question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4, beta. Rhombus BEST, where BE is 4.5 centimeter, ET is 6 centimeter. Clear? You have to draw the rhombus BEST, where BE is given 4.5 and ET is given 6 centimeter. Clear, beta? So first you have to draw BEST. So you can draw any rough diagram of rhombus. So rhombus will be like that, beta. Okay, like that. It will be like that. So for example, this is rhombus BEST. Rough diagram. You are making here rough diagram. The original diagram you have to draw with the help of compass and ruler, beta. Clear? So this is BEST is a rhombus where BE is 4.5. This one is 4.5. ET is 6. So ET is this one side. This one diagonal 6 centimeter. Now you can see, ma'am, here also one side and one diagonal is given, but you were saying when here in the first exercise 4 sides and one diagonal is given, so simply we can draw the quadrilateral, but here only one side and one diagonal is given. So simply, beta, I have first you can see, you will check what you have to draw. So you have to draw here rhombus, and what is the definition of rhombus? All the length of all the sides will be equal. Okay, length of all the sides will be equal, like square. Okay, here all length of all the sides will be equal. This one side is equal to this one, equal to this one, and this one will be equal to this one. If one length is given 4.5, so all will be 4.5. So this one will be also 4.5, 4.5, and 4.5. And one diagonal, this is already given ET, and this is 6 centimeter. Clear now? All the 4 sides are given, one diagonal is given. Now you can draw. Yes, easily. Okay. So beta, in the rhombus you can say length of all the sides will be equal. Clear, all of you? Now you have to draw. So first step you have to draw the diagonal. It means line segment. You will draw the line segment TE. How many centimeters? 6 centimeter. You will not draw like that simple, but you will take a pen and pencil and draw the diagonal. And you have to draw with the help of ruler and compass, beta. Okay, you will take the help of ruler, and after that you have to draw exact 6 centimeter. Clear? After that, now you can see 6 centimeter you have drawn. Upwards also one triangle is given, and downwards also. So first you will draw the upward triangle. So from point T to S and E to S. So intersecting point is S. So you have to draw with the help of R the intersecting point. So from point P you will open your compass 4.5 centimeter with the help of ruler and draw the arc. Okay, so at point T you will take the compass and ruler. So like that, for example, this is ruler, this is compass. Okay, so you have to take the length with the help of ruler 4.5 centimeter and open your compass 4.5 centimeter. Now you have to put at point P and you have to draw the arc. Okay, like that. Clear? Now same from point E, you will open the compass how many centimeter? 4.5 centimeter. So from point E you will open your compass 4.5 centimeter and draw the arc, and these two arcs will meet at one common point, and this intersecting point is S. Okay, so you will give the name, this is S. Clear? Because you are drawing this one triangle, and in this triangle this line segment and this line segment, what is the intersecting point? S. Okay, beta. So now you will join the line segment TS and SE. Clear? Upward part, this one triangle complete. Now you have to draw the downwards triangle also, beta. Okay, so same like that, what will you do? You will put the compass at point P and open it 4.5 centimeter and draw the arc. So like that. Here, like that. After that, from point E you will open it same 4.5 centimeter and draw the arc like that. Clear? After that, the intersecting point is in downwards B point and join the line segment TB and BE. Clear? and here also it will be better like that. Okay, it is rhombus na, so it will be equal. All the lengths will be equal like that. Clear? Okay, and what is the length? All the lengths are 4.5. So 4.5, 4.5, 4.5, 4.5. You have to write the length also. Okay, so this is okay. BEST, BEST. Clear? So first, now you have done this part also, downward part also, this triangle also you have done. Okay, and what is the intersecting point of this? B point. And what are the lengths of all the sides? 4.5. It means you can say yes, BEST, this one is your required rhombus. Okay, and what is the definition of rhombus? All the four sides will be equal. So here you can see all the sides are equal in length, and this is 4.5 centimeter. Clear all of you? So like that you have to draw the rhombus. So beta, in first exercise what is given? How will you construct any quadrilateral when four sides are given and one diagonal is given? So we will construct our quadrilateral. Now you have to write the construction also. What you have to do? You have to write the construction also. So how will you write the construction? So here I am writing one construction. Okay, so step by step you will write here. So beta, first step in construction, first step you will write draw a line segment. First you are drawing a line segment. TE is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, first step, draw a line segment TE 6 centimeter. Second step, draw the arc from point T 4.5 centimeter and from point from point E 4.5 centimeter. Okay, draw the arc from point T 4.5 centimeter, from point E 4.5 centimeter, and intersecting point, third intersecting point of arcs is S. Okay, now fourth step, join ST and SE line. Join the line segment ST, join the line segment ST and SE. Okay, join the line segment ST and SE. Upper parts clear? Okay, now downwards also same like that. So fifth point, draw the arc downward. Okay, draw the arc downwards of line segment, or you can say diagonal. Okay, line segment TE T from point T equal to 4.5 and from E also 4.5 because it is rhombus, so all the sides are equal. Okay, from E also equal to 4.5 centimeter, and intersecting point of both the arc. Next step, intersecting point of arc is B point. Now next step, join the line segment BT and BE. Clear beta? Join the line segment BT and BE. So now downwards parts also same like that, upward parts you have to do. Now join the line segment BT and BE, and after that next step, hence. Okay, next step, 8th step I am writing here beta. Hence BEST is a required rhombus. Hence BEST is your required rhombus. Clear all of you? So like that you have to write the construction also. In first exercise total 4 questions are given, and you have to write the construction of all the 4 questions. Okay, I have told you the construction of first and fourth question, but second and third are also same construction beta. You can write yourself and you have to write the construction. You can write in your own language also beta, step by step only you have to write the steps. Clear? So in first exercise, in this chapter practical geometry, in first exercise what we have done when all the four sides are given and one diagonal is given. So how will you construct the quadrilateral, any quadrilateral? So in first and second question quadrilateral is given. Third question what is given? Parallelogram. In parallelogram any two sides are given, so opposite sides will be equal. So one is opposite to second one, third one is opposite to fourth one. So you can write the length will be also equal, opposite sides length. Okay. After that in fourth question only one side is given. It means sides of all the rhombus will be equal, and this one is rhombus. So if any one side is given, so you can write all the sides will be equal in length. Clear? So third question parallelogram is given, fourth question rhombus is given. But in all the shapes, all the quadrilateral what is given, four sides are given, all the four sides are given and one diagonal is given. So how will you construct the quadrilateral? First step, simply you have to draw the rough diagram, and in second step you have to do step by step, and you will write all the line and all the arc with the help of ruler and compass, not simply like that. Okay, with the help of pen and pencil you have to take the compass and ruler. After that you have to complete the quadrilateral and rhombus whatever it is given. Clear all of you? Step by step. After completing the diagram you have to write the construction also. Step by step you will write the construction, and in last you can write hence this is your required quadrilateral, rhombus or parallelogram. Clear all of you? So you have to complete your first exercise. Okay, and in second exercise we will do when two diagonals and four sides are given. Okay, when two diagonals are given and all the four sides are given, so how will you construct the quadrilateral? Is it clear? So you have to complete first exercise with your construction. Okay, all the questions you have to complete the construction also. Okay, if you have any doubt please join the doubt class for doubt session. Okay, thank you so much students.